Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking about legged whales, the most famous of which is Pachycetus, but there are over a dozen of them that are interesting that not many people know about, so I'll get into it. Pachycetus, the most famous, as I said, was found in Pakistan, and it's about in the range of 50 million years old. It's known to be a whale based on the structure of its auditory bulla in the inner ear. Ichthyolestes is in the Pachycetidae family, like Pachycetus. It's known from partial skeletons. It was the smallest legged whale, about the size of a fox. Ambulocetus is known from partial skeletons. Its morphology indicates it was semi-aquatic. Androscythius is a Remington-seated whale known from a skull and some limb bones. Tachycetus is a Remington-seated known from a partial skull. Cucucetus is known from a partial skeleton. It was a bit different than other walking whales. It had a more elongated, skinny skull. Also, Remington-seatus had a similar skull. It's known from a skull and a partial skeleton. Ajacetus is a protoceted whale that actually lived alongside some of the later basilosaurid whales. Because evolution branches out, it leaves, while some populations progress, some stay relatively unchanged. And that was an example of Ajacetus. Babycetus is known from a partial skull. Georgicetus lived in the USA 46 million years ago. It's known from a mostly complete skeleton, obviously found in Georgia. Papacetus is known from the left mandible. Egyptocetus is known from an almost complete skull. Endocetus is known from a partial skull with auditory bulla preserved. Myocetus is known from two almost complete skeletons. One even had a fossilized fetus. Myocetus is probably my favorite. Perigocetus was discovered in Peru. It's known from a jaw, legs, and parts of the spine and tail. And finally, Rhodocetus is known from several partial skeletons. So there are far more legged whales than people would lead you to believe. Many people just think it's Pachycetus and Ambulocetus and that's it, but there are many more. And there are many more than I've listed here. These are just the ones that have significant fossil images up on the internet that I could find.